ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు చింతమ్మ? నేను చేస్తా కదా. ఆంటీ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ డూ నా.
No, I am a girl, so I should do. I should only do.
బట్ ఆంటీ విల్ డూ నా.
No.
I can do, right? Why you are doing? You are so small, right?
Now I'm becoming bigger. Now I'm growing.
So
I can.
why you want to do all that, Chintalli?
Because it's so nice.
What are you doing? Tell me.
I'm cleaning.
You don't know how to clean only. What are you cleaning?
Done.
Done.